Alright, so in order to start receiving payments from your Amazon affiliate marketing links, what we have to do right now is we have to include a bank account. So what we have to do is we can just click over here, submit payment information. But if your dashboard doesn't have this option, what you can do is go ahead and click on your profile over here and then just go to account settings. And once you're at your account settings, what you have to do next is to click on change payment method. This is the default page, but if you were to add a bank account, what you have to do is click over here and then add a new bank account, and then over here just carry on and fill in your particulars and your bank account, your bank location, currency, account type, all those good stuff, which you should already know if you have a bank account. So yeah, that's it. Just key in over here, key in your particulars and just save changes, and your bank account will be saved at your Amazon Associates account.